Oh, that one's not open.
Now you're confused.
Come on, you guys are being mean. You had to give her some if you're going to do that.
Which one's open?
Where did your daughter go?
Outside.
Down there.
Oh, what?
Outside.
Give her a few.
Yeah?
Okay,
Do anything for Paul.
She's by herself?
Yeah.
You're wearing a coat?
You missed. Pusser, actually.
Well,
There.
is she wearing a coat?
Yeah, she's wearing a jacket. Fleece jacket.
Give her this?
Oh, okay.
She's wearing a fleece jacket.
And she's wearing her pajama pants?
Give Kaya.
Oh, she likes snow. They still snow.
Oh, open your mouth, Kaya.
Hey,
Ew.
She broke my right hair.
Wow, you have big cheeks. Hi.
Where's that banana?
Banana, yeah. Here.
Want some more?
Hot potatoes. Okay.
Every time she sees this, she just blinks.
Huh?
Taiwan.
It looks hot.
No.
Ow.
What is that, banana?
That's fun.
Yeah. What's around it?
Cereal. Yep, perfect.
Oh my God, you guys gave her that. Okay, no more pasta after that.
Look, every time she sees it, she does that.
Why?
I don't know.
That's what?
Get closer, get
scratches her
closer,
nose.
get closer. Do it again.
Kaya, look.
Hey!
Kaya.
Is she
Look,
still
she's
figuring
reading.
it?
Is it bright or something?
Is Kaya still figuring out how to use your arms? I don't know, maybe in the
Do it
shower?
again. Do it again.
You're being mean.
Do it again, do it again.
Kaya, peekaboo. Kaya, look. She's not looking in my direction.
Food's more important.
Kaya, look.
Ew, she got big
Kaya?
spit on me.
Yeah, well, that's okay. Kaya?
Ew.
Kaya, look.
Chris, you want
It's just enough. What's wrong with it?
What? No, you're gonna slip. Actually, no. Noodle.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, she's falling.
She's going.
Put the seatbelt on her. It has to be
No, but-
made longer. It has to be made longer. The seatbelt's not long enough. You gotta make it